In this video, let's learn how to clear app data. If we clear any app data, we can use this application as new app. Go to your mobile settings, scroll down this page and click on apps option. After you can see all applications in here. Select any application you want to clear data. Now I select this internet speed meter application, open it. After you can click on this storage option. Now you can press this clear data option. Click on delete. Now this is fresh application. You can use this application as a new app.